This is the last part of the chapter. We'll take up two topics. One is fruit, other is apomixis. First, let us take fruit. Fruit is a ripened ovary, as we all know. The primary function of fruit is to help in seed dispersal. So first we'll study the structure of a typical fruit. When we see a fruit, the fruit has two parts. The outer part is called pericarp and the central part is called seed. So in this diagram you can see the pericarp, the peripheral part, and the central part is seed. So if you categorize the fruit, we can divide them into three main categories: true fruits, false fruits, and parthenocarpic fruit. So true fruits develop directly from the ovary, and false fruit, here the swollen part is not ovary, it is thalamus, and parthenocarpic fruits are the seedless fruits. Let us first compare the first two types, that is true fruit and false fruit. Here with the help of diagram you can see first part, that is the left part, is the true fruit of grape, and the right diagram is of false fruit of apple. This diagram is also there in your book where different types of false fruits are shown. For example, here the first two diagrams are of apple, they are false fruit, and third diagram is of strawberry, it is also a false fruit. Then if we compare the false fruit with the parthenocarpic fruit, parthenocarpic fruits are the fruits which are developed without fertilization. So they do not function in the process of reproduction. They are mainly for commercial purpose. For example, because there are no seeds, so there are certain fruits where seeds are nuisance, we prefer the parthenocarpic fruits. For example, grapes, then oranges. Then a new topic is given in your book, that is apomixis. Lot of research is going on in this topic. What is the role of apomixis in plant breeding? We'll study. So if you see the definition of apomixis, apomixis is a mechanism to produce seeds without fertilization. Here viable seeds are produced, but there is no fertilization taking place. So it is a type of asexual reproduction giving the result of the sexual reproduction. So you can say apomixis can occur in different ways, but here mainly we will focus only one way, where nucellar cells which are diploid, they start entering the embryo sac. So in one embryo sac there are many embryos are formed, and that condition is called polyembryony. Okay, so we can say apomixis is the production of seeds without fertilization. The different types are given which are not there in your syllabus. Only you must know what is apomixis, what is its definition, and what is its role in the plant breeding. So the main role of apomixis is the rapid production of the pure line varieties of the crop. Also, if you go for the hybrid formation, we can maintain the hybrids by the process of apomixis. A question is generally asked on this. Basically, what is the role of apomixis in plant breeding? So clonal reproduction through seeds can be done in apomixis. New hybrids which are produced, they take very less time. So generally one question another is also asked, like the similarities and dissimilarities between the apomixis and parthenocarpy. They look similar. There are certain similarities also, but these two are different processes. Let us first see what are the similarities between the parthenocarpy and apomixis. In both apomixis and parthenocarpy, there is no fertilization involved. So both produce offsprings similar to the parents. So in both cases, there are no chances of variation. But what is the difference? The difference is that the apomixis results in the formation of seeds without fertilization, whereas the parthenocarpy results in the production of fruit without the formation of seeds. Okay, so with this we complete the chapter. Thank you very much.